Yes.
Gowning.
Yes. Now I'm going to start up with the session. Everyone mute your audio. Okay? Yes. Then before we are getting into the session, let's get updated with today's date. What is today's date? Alright. Yes. 8, 9, 2020. What is today's date? 8, 9, 2020. 8 is today's date. 9. 9 is the ninth month of the year. That is September. We are in September month. Ninth month is September. 2020 is this year. Okay. Today's date is 8/9/2020 and what day is today? Today is Tuesday. 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 Today is Tuesday. Today's date is 8/9/2020 and today is Tuesday. Yes, hope you all know me. I am Savitri ma'am here. So before getting into today's session, I just want you to, if anybody is not having rough note in your hand, rough note and pencil, I will give you time. You go and take your rough note and pencil. I'll just give a countdown of 10. Yes? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Karnataka, thank you. Yes? So hope you all are having rough note and pencil in your hand. Yes? Are you ready? Yes. Before we are getting into the lesson, we'll just see today's fact. Already we saw this fact. But again, why we are seeing is because the lesson what we are going to see is related to this fact. Okay? I'll read this. A raindrop actually falls in flat, oval and in tear shape. A raindrop actually falls in flat, oval shape and in tear shape. There are usually two forms of rain. There are usually two forms of rain. They are shower and drizzle. They are shower and drizzle. So what is showering? Shower. What's showering? You might have heard, right? In some places it will rain and in some places it will not rain. You may, if your daddy is coming from Pundamalli, he will say, in Pundamalli it was raining, but here it is not raining. Yes, it will rain for some time and it will just stop. And in some places it will rain and in some places it will not rain. It's called showering. It's not heavy rain and it's not a light rain. Okay. Drizzle. Drizzle means thurradu. Very light rain. Just a starting stage. Yes? Okay. So, now let's move on to character education. Yes. As you all know, the importance of character education. Character education is important because character is who we are and how we act. It is about being caring, respectful, trustful, and fair. People will notice us when we portray these traits in our everyday action. Yes, so our character is very important. So character education is also very important. That's why weekly once we are seeing some character. Okay, character education. We are knowing about character education. So character education for the week. Caring. Caring. Now let's go deep into it and see what it is. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. Hope you all remember this. In UKG, we saw this in golden rules, right? Classroom rules. Sharing is caring. Yes? Okay. I care. I share. I care. I share. Okay. Now let's see what is caring. Caring. Be considerate and kind in all your actions. 1 minute. Be considerate and kind in all your actions. Lend a helping hand to those around you. Lend a helping hand to those around you. Say nice things. Share compliments with others. Say nice things. Share compliments with others. Be the person others can count on. Be the person others can count on. Okay, so this is all about caring. Okay, now let's move on to next one. So we are going to do one activity related to this caring. Sharing is caring. You all know that. Caring is great. Sharing is best. Could you get the difference between this? Caring is great. Caring is great. Caring of others is great. Sharing is best. Sharing is best. Okay. Now, sharing is caring. So this activity we will be uploading it in our MEM app. So after seeing this in your scrapbook, putting it in Google Classroom. Okay, my dears? Okay. First, I will read this. I'm a good friend because I share here. Sorry. Here lines are given, right? You have to write it by your own. See, right now, actually, you are not meeting your friends, right? But here it is given, right? I'm a good friend because. So now, right now, you are not meeting your friends. So let you imagine that I'm a good brother. I'm a good sister. Yes, you can imagine like that and you can think over like that and write it. Like I am a good sister. So you have to do this in scrapbook and upload it in Google Classroom. So now, as I already told you, today's lesson is about raindrops. When we saw the fact zone, today's fact, I told you, right? Today's lesson is all about rain. Yes, so now we are moving on to lesson 6, raindrops. So now it's your time. I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. What you have to do is you take your rough note, open it and keep it ready. When I am asking you to do something, you have to do. Till now, you can keep the pencil down and listen to me. So now I'm going to ask you some questions before getting into the lesson. Have you played in the rain? Have you played in the rain? I'm going to just stop this screen sharing because I want to see your answers. Okay. Again, I will open this. Yes, because I have to see the chat box. Yes. Have you played in the rain? Yes, I'm getting yes. Very good. So you had played in the rain. So your mummy will allow you, right? Oh my God. One kid answered no. Okay. Yes, Avanishwar is. Darshan is. Okay, Smita yes. Somebody is answering no. Okay, so no means your parents are not allowing you, right? Okay. Are you allowed to play in rain? How does it feel? How does it feel when you're allowed to play in rain? Jolly, fun, very good, happy, Sadhana happy. When you feel like you're playing itself, it will be happy. And if you go and play, how it will be? Yes, happy, jolly, joyful, very good. Cold, very good answer. Yes. Okay. So now what you are going to do is
Mommy, rain play allowed. Why I can have fever?
okay, your mummy will not allow you, yes? Okay, no problem. Whatever your mummy is saying, you just obey her, okay? Very good, Tejasvi. Fever, Krisho fever. Okay. Okay, now it's time to take your rough note and pencil. Now, draw a picture of the rain you can see outside. You just imagine that it is raining outside now. Just close your eyes and imagine that it's raining outside now. How will it be? Wow, very nice, right? And you are watching it. Okay, you are sitting inside your house and you are watching it. It is raining outside. How will it be? So you are going to draw that. You are going to draw that scene of rain. When you are looking outside, how will it be? You are going to draw it, how it will be, and I am going to give you 2 minutes time for this. Even if you are unable to finish, no problem. Okay, afterwards you just think over nicely and finish it and post it in Google Classroom. Okay, children? Yes. Now I'm going to give you 2 minutes. You're going to imagine that. You're going to imagine that it's raining outside. Kavicharan, kindly mute your audio, my dear. Yes. Hope you are doing. Yes. I'm not showing anything. I'm not showing anything to you. You have to imagine by yourself like it's raining outside now. Right now it's raining outside. You are imagining. Okay. What, Kana? Those who are finished can put it in the chat box that you had finished. Okay, so that I will move on to lesson.
Green.
What, Kanna? Yes. So I'm getting answers that most of them are finishing. Now let's move on to lesson. Yes. Okay. Now time over. 2 minutes over. So you can close your notebook. Even if you're finished or not, you can close your notebook and listen to the lesson now. Okay. If you're not finished, no issues, Kanna. You can finish after this session is over after 10 o'clock. You can finish it leisurely and you can take a pic of it and post it in Google Classroom. Hope you all understood. Now let's move on to lesson 6, raindrops. The name of the lesson is raindrops. Okay. Now this is a poem. This is a poem. Okay. Now, actually, this poem is written by a poet called Brownie. J.E. Brownie. Who is a poet? One who writes poem. One who is writing this poem is called poet. Okay. Yes, so he is sharing about his experience when he was very small like you. Okay, when he was very small like you and when it was raining outside. Now you had imagine something. Kana, kindly mute your audio, my dear. I'll repeat because of the disturbance. Hope you all muted your audio. You all are very good children, I know. Okay. This poem is written by a poet called J.E. Brownie. Okay. Who is a poet? One who writes poem is called poet. So this poem is written by J.E. Brownie. Okay. He is sharing his experience when he was very small and when it was raining. Okay. Yes. Now let's see the poem. First I will read this poem and then I will explain this line by line. Okay, Kanna? So without unmuting your audio, you are just going to listen me. Yes. Hope you all will listen me. Okay. Thank you, children. Oh, where do you come from? Actually, we will ask your friend or your father. Yes. Oh, where do you come from, like that? Yes. But likewise, here this poet J.E. Brownie is asking the raindrops. Here this poet is asking the raindrops. Okay. Oh, where do you come from? You little drops of rain. I'll repeat. You also have to read along with me. Okay. Oh, where do you come from? You little drops of rain. So the poet is asking the raindrops, from where did you come? He's having doubt how this rain is coming. From where did you come? Did you ever thought, children? Did you ever think of this? From where we are getting the rain?
Ma'am, cloud, ma'am. Rain cloud.
Okay. So after finishing this poem, I'm going to
Right.
say you the process of rain. Okay. How the rain is coming. I'm going to say you. Okay. Recycle of water, everything I'm going to say you. But right now you listen to this poem. Okay. Very good, children. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Down the window pane. Pitter patter. What is pitter patter? This, sorry, excuse me. The sound of water dripping or falling gently. So it will rain, right? So the sound of rain. Here it is mentioned as pitter patter, pitter patter. Down the window pane. What is window pane? A piece of glass filling a window frame. See, I'll just draw and show you. See, if we have window like this, see here the glass piece will be there, right, in between. So that is called window pane. Window pane. Okay. I will read this page again. Oh, where do you come from? You little drops of rain. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Down the window pane. Okay, so the poet is asking, where did you come from? He's seeing from his house, okay? So he's seeing inside from his house like you. Pitter, patter. He's getting the sound of water. Down the window pane. He's looking out from the window. Okay. They won't let me walk. They won't let me play. And they won't let me go out of doors at all today. So what does he mean here? What does the poet mean here? They he is mentioning as his parents. So if it is raining outside, few of you told, right, your parents will not allow outside because you will get fever. Yes. So in the same way, I believe this poet, who is this poet? J.E. Brownie. So his parents, his mummy also will not allow him to walk. They won't let me walk. They won't let me walk. So his parents is not letting J.E. Brownie to walk in the rain. They won't let me play. So the poet's parents also will not let this poet J.E. Brownie to play in the rain. And they won't let me to go out of doors at all today. So if it is raining and even the rain stops, what will happen? How it will be outside? It will be wet, right? It will be wet.
Dry.
No, Kanna, it will not become dry immediately. It will take time to dry. Yes? So your mummy will not allow you for that whole day outside, right? Because of that wet sand. Yes? Okay. So the same happened to this poet J.E. Brownie also. Out of doors means outside the house. Okay. So so this poet's mummy didn't allow him outside to walk, outside to play, outside for the whole day. So he is very sad. Okay. They put away my playthings. They put away my playthings. Playthings means toys, as you all know. They put away my playthings because I broke them all. Because I broke them all. See how naughty this it is. He had broken all his playthings. So sad. Okay. And then they locked up all my bricks. They locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. Since this poet is very naughty, what did his mother do? What happened there? The poet's mother locked up all his bricks. Bricks here it is mentioned like blocks. The building blocks you will play, right? That is mentioned as bricks here. They locked up all his bricks and they took away his ball also. So now he is having nothing to play because he had broken his toys and whatever other toys it's there also, his mother locked up everything. So he is having nothing in his hand to play and it is raining outside. He is unable to go outside and play. Now let's see what happened. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter, patter, pitter, patter, all the rainy day. So this poet got angry because of this rain only he is unable to go out and play. Yes, he's staying inside his house. So he is asking this rain, is that the way you play for whole day? He is asking. What he is asking? Is this the way you play? Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Because he is getting that sound. What is that sound? The sound of water. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. The whole day he is getting the sound. So he is asking me, raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter, patter, pitter, patter, all the rainy day. So he got angry and he's scolding and he's asking question like this to the raindrops. They say, I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do. So they say, mummy is saying, they hear the poet is mentioning his parents, right? Okay, they say, I'm very naughty, but I have nothing else to do. Yes? So he is not having his toys because he was naughty, he broke everything. Yes? And since it is raining, he is unable to go out. So he is having nothing else to do now but sit here at the window. So what is doing? He is sitting near the window and watching the rain. I should like to play with you. So actually he wants to play in the rain. Actually he wants to go and play with the rain. But his parents are not allowing like your parents. Yes? Okay. So this is what all about the lesson. Again, we will give a recap of this lesson in the next English class also. So who is the poet? J.E. Browning. Okay? Yes. Now, let's move on to textbook exercise. Tick the correct option for the following questions, page number 28. So this textbook exercise is in page number 28. So here for each question they had given 3 options. We are going to read that and pick the correct option. Okay. Now let's read the first sentence. When it rains, the poet is not allowed to. When it rains, the poet is not allowed to. First option. Read, write, walk, go out, work, study. So which is the correct answer? Whether he was not allowed to read, write, or whether he was not allowed to walk and go out, or whether he was not allowed to work and study. Which is the correct option here?
First,
Yes.
ma'am. First open.
Oh, first option, check it whether the first option is correct. What is the first option? The first option is read, write. Whether when it was raining, whether the poet was not allowed to read and write or walk and go out. Which is the correct option? He was not allowed to walk and go out. Yes, Kanna, kindly unmute your audio, Kanna, please, and put it in the chat box, okay? I'll see it in last 5 minutes for sure, okay? Thank you, children. So, I'll read it once again. When it rains, the poet was not allowed to walk, go out. Okay? Now the second one. The rain makes the poet want to, the first option, sleep, cry, play. The rain makes the poet. When it was raining, what he want to do with that rain? What he wanted to do? The rain makes the poet want to, first option, sleep, second one, cry, third one, play. What he wanted to do? He wanted to sleep. He wanted to cry. Kanna, please mute your audio, Kanna. Or he wanted to play in the rain. What he wanted to do? He wants to play in the rain, right? Like you. Okay. So this is how you have to do this textbook exercise, which is in page number 28. This will be uploaded in MEM Mangado app. Okay, you can take it from there and you can finish this textbook exercise and you can upload it in Google Classroom. Now let's move on to next to textbook exercise in same page. Yes, we are running out of time. Okay. Yes. I'll read the heading now. Complete the following sentences using the words given below. See here, actually we have one help box here, right? Okay, so and in that help box we are having some words, and here the sentence is not yet completed. We have incomplete sentence. So in that given blank, using this words in the help box, we are going to complete that sentences. Okay. So I'll read the first one. The poet thinks that dash is the sound the rain makes when it plays. When rain is playing, what's it making? What is the sound you get? Yes? Pitter, patter. Pitter, patter. Okay. Yes, Kanna, yes. So I don't have space here to write it. I will read it once again. Kindly mute your audio, ma, please, when I'm asking you question. mute your audio and say the right answer. If it is possible, you type it in the chat box. Otherwise, no need. You just say it by muting your audio. Thank you, children. I'll read it once again. The poet thinks that pitter patter is the sound the rain makes when it plays. Okay. The second one. The poet is made to stay dash when it rains. So when it was raining, where was the poet made to stay? Inside the house. Yes. Otherwise, it can be told as indoors. Indoors. So we have to write that word here in the given blank. Okay. The poet is made to stay indoors. Indoors. Indoors when it rains. Okay. The raindrops falls on the dash. The raindrops fall on the dash. Where did the rain fall? Raindrops fall. From where he was looking that
Sand, ma'am.
wind.
The sand and road.
Yes, it was falling on the sand and road. You are given a correct answer. But here we have few options, right? So from that we have to select the correct answer. Okay. Actually, I asked you another one question when I am saying the sentence. From where he was staying and looking that rain. He was staying inside, right? So when he was staying inside, where he saw the raindrops falling on the window pane. Yes, I had drew that window pane and I had shown you, right, when I was explaining the poem. Yes. Okay. So the raindrops fall on the window pane. Your answer is also correct, my dear. Okay. Yes. So, but here we have to choose words given there. From there and we have to write it. Okay. So, the next one. Fourth one. The poet's parents think that he is dash because he breaks all his toys. Since he broke all his toys, how did the parents thought about that poet? He was very naughty, right? The poet was very naughty. I'll read it once again. The poet's parents think that he is naughty because he breaks all his toys. Okay. Yes. We will move on to the last one. The poet would like to dash with the rain. The poet would like to
play in the rain.
Okay, yes. But you can mute your audio and say it, Kana. Okay? Thank you. Poet would like to play with the rain. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm going to complete, sir. Thank you, sir. So the poet would like to